Now let's see how we can fetch all the brands where they have products. So currently if I open the browser, you guys can see I get all the brands, either they have a product or they don't have product. But if you want to get all the brands where they have products, we can do that also. So in here, to get all the products where they have product, we can use a function in Laravel function whereHas, and we will pass our relationship name in here. So this will fetch all the brands which have products. So let's go and refresh. Now as you guys can see, all my brands in here have products. So scroll down, all of them have products. But if you want to fetch all those brands which does not have products, you can do that also by just, instead of typing whereHas, you can type whereDoesntHave and pass the relationship name. Now this will fetch all the brands which does not have any products. So now if I refresh the page, we will get this error, doesn't have class. So let's fix this, where doesn't have. Okay, now let's refresh. Okay, so now I got all the brands which does not have the any products. As you guys can see here, the product count is 0. So if you want to fetch all the brands which have product, you will use whereHas, and if you want to fetch all the brands which does not have any product, you will use whereDoesntHave.